These are going to be 5 top tips that I want to give you with relation to email marketing using a tool that we call My Legion Secret. Guys, this is not a My Legion Secret review. I'm trying to make different videos about My Legion Secret because there's so much of information out there, good, bad, everything under the sun with relation to it. There are case studies, there are reviews, there's training. I myself have been posting for the last 3 years. So I'm trying to get and give you guys some tips and strategies along the way that also are supported by the course that I've created, which is around using My Legion Secret as a catalyst to build a funded proposal for yourself. I have spent and this is my results, obviously, but using this strategy, I've not only earned enough and got the results to prove it, but I've also used this as a fund for myself to continuously build my cold email list, or my email list, my primary email list, which becomes my, driving mechanism of traffic, of advertising to my entire back end products and services that I have as an affiliate. So we're on a Monday. I usually talk about traffic sources, and I've been talking about My Legion Secret because there's so much to talk about. If you guys are interested, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I would definitely appreciate it. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. The strategy is pretty simple. Let me share with you immediately the strategy that I have been using for the last 3.5 years now, or actually 3 years and 1 month to be precise, not 3.5, 3 years and 1 month. That is basically using My Legion Secret. My Legion Secret, I'll share with you what it is and how much it costs and everything else. But I use it to send emails out every single day, every 24 hours to 200 to 200 email leads that I get. And these email leads are primarily interested in or make money online offers that are available within this space and stuff like that. So there's obviously a lot of logical understanding, and I'm going to give you guys this history so that it helps you write your emails better. Okay, the leads here are looking first and foremost for their co-registration leads. They're looking to make money online. They've been struggling maybe for some time. Maybe even the kind of marketing that was done to them was a bit hypey, and that means they were just sold the dream but never shown the process on how to get there. And there are so many people out there, guys, that fall into this process, and even myself, I have fallen into this process so much in my last 14 years of doing this online, and I've had my successes, I've had my failures. You speak to the struggles, you speak to the pain points, and you remember what you have learned yourself in case you've gone through it, then understand that. If not, just know that there's a lot of hype in this space and there's a lot of over promising that happens, unfortunately. I guess it's just because it's related to money, people tend to over promise on certain things, and it's just wrong. There is no push button software out there, guys. Really, there is not in affiliate marketing. You do have to put the work and the effort in order for you to build the skills that can help you. For example, if you are learning how to advertise, there are faceless methods of advertising, there are paid methods of advertising, there are free methods of advertising, there are email copywriting methods of advertising. There's so many ways to do it, but there are skills behind it that allow us to get the visibility to then make those conversions into sales. Okay, and those skills are what we want to invest our time and effort in learning more than anything else. And this is personally what I've been doing for the last 5 years, enjoying it and growing really well with this strategy. I've not been distracted by it. I spent 6 years before that just really literally failing year after year, chasing new strategies, chasing the dreams, and everything went away. So I use My Legion Secret to send to an offer that I already owned and already had on Warrior Plus or ClickBank, which are affiliate networks. And that way I generate a fund for myself that I can utilize then to buy higher quality traffic that builds my cold email list. It's a very simple strategy. I'll go over it on Friday. So in case you guys want to learn more about it, you can learn about it on Friday, or there is a link to my course in the description of this video. It's called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. You can find that there and you can decide to get it if you want. It goes over this entire strategy in detail. Now, My Legion Secret costs $30 every single month to maintain. In the first month, you'll be spending actually an additional $30 because there's a $30 setup fee as well as the $30 every single month. So your first month you're spending $60, and then after that $30 every single month to maintain. That's $1 a day. As long as you're making at least $30, you cover your costs, right? I make around $300 to $500 every single month following just the step one of the strategy, which means I 10x what I'm actually spending on the My Legion Secret account, which is fine for me. I am happy with this reward. Right? This is not something that I'm trying to get rich overnight. This is not something that I'm just primarily focused on doing two things. One, My Legion Secret solves the problem of going out there and finding those 100 to 200 leads every day. So I'm leveraging that. And it's giving me a space to practice my copywriting, practice my emails. And today, as I said, I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to improve your email. So the first thing that I want you to remember is your audience. whenever you're doing your marketing, whenever you're trying to build a funnel, whenever you're trying to make a product, before you actually do all of those things, the course, the product, the funnel, anything, what is your audience looking for? I want you guys to I want all of you to ask this question to yourself. So that's the first thing. Is simply put, here it is, as I mentioned, all the hype, all they must have tried different products or services, they must have tried different tools. So put yourself in those perspectives and ask, what does your customer actually want? What is your ideal customer and what do they want? So I speak a lot to the struggling marketers. I speak a lot, I try to interrupt the patterns on talking to people who have been affected by these hype this hype in the industry, right? So those are the angles that I'm taking, but you can literally take another angle. For example, is if you use a service-based job like on ClickBank that are offers which talk about, writing jobs, social media jobs, and so on and so forth. Those jobs itself, the angle that I personally put is that it's okay, forget about affiliate marketing for a second, forget about all these offers that you're looking at, and try to just get a paying side hustle, side job that is giving you a certain amount of money every single month. That job is actually doing two things for you. It's allowing you to win because you're earning, and it's allowing you to learn while you actually earn. And that way you can now apply what you're learning, let's say a social media job, to your social media marketing promotions of your affiliate product, and now you're winning there as well, and that is more commissions for yourself than your job rather that you're doing, right? So you can take it as a service based angle, but as long as you're able to understand what the pain points of the audience are and how you can address them, that's going to make the biggest difference. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that it really doesn't matter what product you're offering as long as you're talking to the audience. So remember, first, what are the pain points? Second, it doesn't matter what product. All I would say is make sure that you're formatting it enough that email, message, and story is clear. Okay? Message and story is clear. That's it. Now we go to the format of the email. So I'm going to take you through some winning emails that I have, and we'll use some of the old ones so you can see how the example is. But this is a structure that I pretty much follow for my, let's say, promotions on My Lead Gen Secret itself. Okay, so this was a product called Affiliate Marketing Crack. You can find the review on this channel. And I said how you can turn your emails into predictable stream of income. So I'm giving them kind of the end goal, the outcome, and I'm telling them how do you actually go about doing this, and they can learn in this, right? So this gives them kind of a step-by-step approach, and this can be improved. This email can be improved. It's one of the older emails that I used. Then I add a strong call to action. What I want you to pay attention to here, the third point, is the formatting. The formatting is not that they're long sentences. They're not too it's very fast to read. Okay, so that's why it's written in this manner. It's very fast to read, and this is actually getting much better conversions than something that is, a lot of the times you'll see get response or Aweber emails will be in the center of the page because it grabs people's attention. It's not on one side, it grabs people's attention, and you go through it pretty quickly because your vision of what you're looking at when it comes to the marketing is just in that space alone. Okay, so that formatting is really important. The fourth thing I would say is in the email itself, make sure that your call to actions have a soft call to action and a hard call to action. For example, in this email itself, I have just one call to action, so it's a hard call to action. However, if I went down here, I have two call to actions. I would suggest one soft call to action and one hard call to action. What's the difference between a soft call to action and a hard call to action? Soft one is basically when you have a sentence like this, let's say, or basically it's not in caps lock or capitals, then it is fine to do it as it's a soft one. Okay, I also put, like, for example, at the end of this I would put like this, these arrows over there indicate that, look, there is a link here, you got to click it. Okay, so this is still a call to action, but it's a softer call to action. So that's the fourth thing. And then the last thing that I want to say, which I really think that is taken for granted to an extent, is the PS link that is there at the end of the email. So let me show you guys how it works. Okay, maybe I will do it with, let's use these ones right here. So you can see right here there is an email, and then there is a PS link right here. The reason why this PS link I'm saying is the last point that I want to make is that here you can always find a way to connect it to your offer, and it can be a different offer. So for example, here I have couple of products that I'm sharing right here, and over there on the last one I actually sent it to a third offer. And this is how I do my testing, because sometimes people are not interested in the actual core offer, but they're interested in this one sentence hype that's there. It's not really hype. I'm not trying to make it hype. I'm trying to make the offer stand out and show the congruency there. But people still take advantage and they go and get started because it's a strong sentence call to action, kind of, right? So it's a good way to test. That's just an option that I'm giving you guys. Other than that, stick with subjects that have, questions for you. That's my recommendation. How, what, why, where. Statements don't really convert that well. This is all for you guys to test and try. I'm giving you all the information as I know. If you have any questions, obviously let me know in the comments below and I'll try to answer them and so you guys get it. But this is what I've been following for the last 3 years. You can see the emails are not too long. It's very easy to read, about 3 or 4 paragraphs each. And the placement of the call to actions are pretty simple. And this is what's been getting me the best results, guys. I make 3 to 5 sales every single week because of this, the way I'm sending these emails. So I hope it helps. If you have any questions, as I mentioned, let me know below. Again, My Lead Gen Secret costs you $30 to get started. The link of that will be in the description. And the course is just a $1 course that I have, guys. This entire strategy I explain it to you for $1. You can find out in the description of this video. Otherwise, keep paving the way for dreams to come true. Come on Wednesday, sorry, for the next video, because I am gonna go a little bit more detail on how I do my planning and everything on YouTube for vidIQ. So that's going to be the next video, and we'll talk about it more in detail next week. Sorry, in 2 days. See you guys on the next video. And remember, keep paving the way for dreams to come true.